Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. Today in this video I am going to show you how to type fast. If you want to learn how to type faster, then keep watching. For fast typing we need this two finger just. Look in the keyboard. We need just F with J. Put this finger on the F. Look, when you touch F, we can feel one H on the F. After that, when you put your finger on the F, after that align the other finger like this. We put our finger on the F, we align the other finger after F like this. For right hand, we put this finger on the J. When we touch J, we can feel because it has H. Look, it has H. After that, I put my finger after this finger. Look, I align like this. Now, you should align your finger like this for fast typing. Look, like this. When you do it, I will introduce one site. You can practice your typing and you can make your typing fast day by day. In this step, you need one browser. First, you should connect to internet. Then, you need one browser. You can use Google Chrome. You can use Firefox, anyone you want. But I want to use Google Chrome. Here, type balloon. Typing. Again. Enter. Look, here we have one site. I recommend this site for typing. It is type a balloon game. Open this site, right click, then open new tab. Look, it is balloon game. With this site, you can improve your typing. If you play typing game in this site for 10 minutes on any day, you can make your typing faster on 1 month. Click here, play. This game will start soon. Look, any balloon has one letter. You should press this letter on the keyboard. Look, if you don't press, you will lose your value. Look, you lost this game. Again, I want to try again. Click here, play again. If you press this letter, you will win. Dot, X, K, A, colon, Y, O, J. If you play like this, you improve soon. Look, if you don't play, if you don't press this letter, this balloon will go out. Just practice daily. You will make your typing fast. Look, it is so interesting. ERQSBADES. QC. Just practice daily. FUT. Guys, if this video is helpful, please like this video. If you are new, subscribe the channel for more useful content. In the end, guys, if this video was helpful, please write your opinion on the comment. Have a good day. See you soon.